Hey, welcome to Rygaard Creation. In this video, I will show you a very special surprise. How to add any menu from the top of the interface into the advanced custom right-click menu in the custom room Rygaard Creations, okay? Yeah, that's right. We'll be able at any time to access it here in the viewport. The functionalities of the menu from the top of the interface quickly through the right-click menu. For this, I will need to open the menu.cpp script. Through this button here, Edit Script for the menu. Because inside this script, I will be able to choose any menu from the top of the interface that I want to add to the advanced custom right-click menu, okay? In this case, I want to add the menu I created, Rygaard Creations, to be added inside the right-click menu, okay? So, I will locate the void Rygaard Creations menu function, which is right here. I will select the entire Rygaard Creations menu function. Press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy it. Close the menu.cpp script. Minimize Notepad++, and here, in the Edit Room window, I will open the script rmb.cpp through this button, Edit Script for the RMB action. Inside this script, down there, before the main function, right here, I will press Ctrl+V on the keyboard to paste the Rygaard Creations menu function. Great! First of all, I will modify the name of the Rygaard Creations menu function, just to be able to differentiate a little between the two functions that are identical and avoid any problems. To do this, at the end of the Rygaard Creations menu function name, I will add RMB. Now, the first step here is to select the entire function Start menu Rygaard Creations and press the delete key on the keyboard to delete the function, okay? Great. The next step is to go to the main function, right here, and inside it, I'm going to choose the position that the Rygaard Creations menu will appear in the right-click menu. So, under the Rygaard Tools function, right here, I'm going to create a submenu. Menu, submenu. And as a parameter, Rygaard Creations. Inside the Rygaard Creations submenu, I will write the function name Rygaard Creations menu RMB. And below, I will add the menu exit function. Now, on top of the Rygaard Creations menu submenu function, right here, I'm going to add a menu separator function to create a separator bar, okay? Finally, the time has come to prove to you all that everything I have done here in this script is correct. I will save the script, close it, back to 3DCoat, click the OK button. And when I press the right mouse button, as you can see, I have successfully added the Rygaard Creations menu inside the Advanced Custom Right-Click menu, right? Right. But I would like to warn you all that this process has only one downside. Every time we modify the function that corresponds to the top menu in the menu.cpp script, the menu inside the right mouse button will not be updated at the same time, okay? That's because they are different functions that exist in different places. The function for the top menu, which is inside the right-click menu, exists in the rmb.cpp script. So, every time we modify one of the menus, we have to make the same changes in the other menu too, right? Right. I hope you have learned something new, and as always, I will see you all in the next video. See you there.